A relatively quiet day on Wall Street after yesterday's boisterous rally. Stocks finishing mixed today. The S&P 500 basically unchanged today. Investors taking a closer look at the European debt accord. Deborah Kostroun has the details from the New York Stock Exchange. Deborah.
Thanks a lot, Pimm. And yes, closing out today's session with pretty much a whimper after yesterday's big rally. Some think that yesterday's rally maybe went too far after we got word about the European Union's $1.4 trillion bailout fund. And many traders say certainly this is not the end of the story for Europe because there are still lots of details as to how things would actually work, especially on the bank funding, also given the weakness in the euro and the slow economic growth in Europe. So still lots of questions out there, Pimm.
Now, Deborah, stocks much calmer today in trading, but for the week, it was a winning experience for investors.
Certainly, and what a week it was. We saw the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ all posting close to about 4% gains, a little bit shy of that. And that really just adds to the month of October because so far the S&P up almost 14% in October. That would be our best October since 1974, but of course we have to get through Monday's trading session. Also in today's session, consumer confidence rising in October, and of course that's good news because of course, 70% of our economy depends on consumers spending their money. But kind of interesting, consumers, they do seem to be spending, but it looks like they aren't buying appliances because Whirlpool said they are cutting 5,000 jobs because of lackluster demand for their products and also because of the high cost of steel. That's it from here. Pimm, back to you.
Thank you very much. Deborah Kostroun reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.